You think you can make me a foot-long Italian head cheese? But first, I want it toasted, so just put the cheese first and then toast it for me. Thank you for calling Apple Care Services. This is Mark Wilbur. How can I help you? What's wrong with your device? Let me see. Oh, more for me. More. Please, more. Yes, more. Please. I like it toasted. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Put tuna. Toast it one more and then put tuna after. You speak Spanish?
No, I know.
No?
That's pretty toasted though, bro.
Yes, I like it like this. Yes, I like it crunchy, like chips. You should try it sometime. It's very good. Over there in India, we do it like this.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah. Tuna, what are you doing?
Tuna. Never seen that before.
Wait, I want tuna in it. What are you doing? Hey,